Hey folks, it's Steve from M4LED.com, and I wanted to demonstrate a headlight restoration kit that we sell on the website. We sell better bulbs to make your headlights brighter and whiter, but if you put them into a fixture that's hazed, all it's going to do is scatter the light, and it's not going to be a good result for you or people coming at you because the light's going to be all over the place. So before you upgrade your headlight bulb, you need to make sure that you have a nice headlight fixture. You can restore a lot of them, and it's a real easy process now, or you can replace your fixture if necessary, if they're too far gone. In the past, there have been headlight restore kits on the market where you have to sand down your lens to take off the top layer, and then you polish it back to get it shiny again. This kit is a simple wipe on, wipe off chemical process. It's made by this company. I have no affiliation with the company other than that we resell the product. People continually ask me, does it work? And you're going to see exactly how well it works. I found the company that makes these at the SEMA show in Las Vegas, and I've had no complaints about these kits whatsoever. So first step is to make sure that your fixture is clean to start with. So this car was just recently washed. The next thing is that you need to chemically clean it. And there is a packet number 1 that has a cloth that you're going to open up, and you're going to clean it thoroughly. Now these lights are a little bit yellowed. This is a 2004 Ford Escape, and it's always been parked outside, so it's pretty well dirty. That's already coming off it. Because it's yellowed so much and dirty, I'm going to continue to give it a good wipe down to try to get as much as possible off there. So don't be afraid to really get in there and get off a good layer. As you can see, all that's coming off the headlight. The next step is just to take a normal clean paper towel and wipe it clean. Now, once that's done, and there's more of that residual, once that's done, it's going to have a hazy finish because it's kind of stripped the top off. The next packet is part 2. In part 2, you're going to take the cloth out, and you're not going to unfold it. You're going to leave it exactly like it is. And what you're going to do is start at the top and wipe down the lens. And as you do that, it's going to clean it and put a new protective layer on it. It's already clear, it's already clean, you can see that, but what you want to do now is you want it to sit overnight. You don't want to touch it because that plastic is now soft and it kind of needs to reharden. It's kind of cleaning up the top layer. After 24 hours you can touch it, handle it, whatever, just like normal. Wash it. But that's it. You can see the difference plainly on that one. And let's go back to the other one and show you what it looked like before. And what it looks like after. Just big difference for only a few minutes, and it shouldn't need to be reapplied for about a year. Hope this helps, and you can get those at M4LED.com. I'm going to show you what the second headlight looks like. We're going to use a new cloth because it comes with one cleaning cloth for each headlight. It comes with one wiping cloth afterwards for the whole car. So you should clean them both first and then wipe them both first. So I'm going to keep scrubbing this for a little bit because these were so far gone. Granted, 14 years of sitting outside. You can see what's coming off that thing. Wipe this one really clean, and it should get that same haze. And I'm going to turn over the restoration cloth, and I'm going to wipe it with the same cloth the same way. Start at the top, overlap, and work your way downward. That's it. Good to go.